Last one to go. Oh. Looks like we're having a bit of an issue here today. Let's see. Let's go to my backpack. Okay. A little bit of a hiccup. Looks like we're good to go. Here it comes. Thank you, Nikki, for letting me open this one. Hopefully it's something amazing. I can say I have the magic. Another comment. Okay.
That means I get to open it when the daisies drop.
Another comment. 36. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Let's go to our backpack real quick. And see, I think we're going to keep both of the grails sealed. They're grails, right? If we want to sell one or trade one, it might be worth more sealed. So let's just go ahead and see. We've got Donald 7, okay, and common. Let's watch this Donald come to life. Here he comes. Little buddy. There's his camera. Oh my god, he gets mad! That's amazing. Oh my god, that was perfect. He took a picture of his own face and got blinded by the flash and got mad and threw the camera. You know, I was wondering if Donald was going to get mad. On one hand, he's always mad, which is what makes him so funny. On the other hand, he's so little and cute. This is by far my favorite Cryptoys animation of all time.
I just want to get a bunch of common of Donald Ducks like we did with the cringers, just so we can watch it, just so we can open them so many times.
Yeah, this is the best. The way he freaked out. I mean, anybody that knows anything about Donald knows that him having a little tantrum is what he does best. So I'm so glad that we got to see that. That was excellent. Cracked me up. All right, guys. Daisy's coming up next. And after we go through Daisy and then Goofy, we'll see about picking up a couple more to maybe fill in some gaps on the collection. We'll see how we do. All right. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this Donald animation as much as we did. It was terrific. Cryptoys crushed it. Thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you soon.